Alright, so hello guys. It's Christmas, December 25th, 2013. And today I got 3 fingerboards. So about, I guess 2 weeks ago, I asked my grandma if I could have 3 wooden fingerboards. Actually, I asked for 5, but I got 3. But that's fine. So I already unboxed one because I got way too excited because this is actually my first wooden fingerboard. Yeah, bearing wheels. You listen. It just sounds so nice to pop. And when I unbox it, I got this right here. I don't know what that is. And I got 3 long broken knuckle stickers, fingerboard stickers, broken knuckle. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's so awesome. It dropped. But I got a red one, a blue one, and a green one. So I'm gonna open these and I'll get right back. Okay, so I unboxed the 2. So over here I got 3 circle People Republics, 2 broken knuckles, 2 black broken knuckles, and 2 People's Republic stickers, 2 sheets of foam, really good foam tape, and a blue deck. Like, it's like so perfect. Like, this deck is like so awesome. Yeah. And over here I got 1 green deck, 3 People Republic stickers, 2 broken knuckles, 2 black broken knuckles, and 2 People Republics. And these don't really matter, so I guess I'll just 2 sheets of foam, and I forgot to do the trucks, and silver Allen wrench trucks with a black tech deck tool, and white trucks, red wheels, Allen wrench trucks, silver trucks, and I guess that's about it. So yeah, it's a really nice deck. Alright, so Merry Christmas, guys, and yeah, happy holidays.